one very simple definition of science is that is what scientists are doing. That's so I mean, that's another some modern conclude science is what scientists are doing, and you cannot be more precise than that. So who is a scientist? That's one who does science.
But then it keeps rolling around. They like it.
Yeah.
Keep rolling it around.
Scientist is one who does science, is what a scientist does. So, yeah, you cannot. And also think about it. You cannot give a scientific definition of what science is. That's the same thing. You know, how do you assess if something is scientific or not? It must be according to a definition. But then how can a definition be scientific? Because then it would have to, it's a. The word is. Yeah.
It keeps away from a determination to surrender to God.
Yeah, basically they're busy with all these questions, so they don't think about it.
You cannot make a determination to surrender or not.
Fills your mind with all kinds of very important issues, so you don't have to think, does God exist, or how should I surrender to God? So it's just Maya.
Robert called it word jugglery, right?
Yeah, a lot of it is a word jugglery. But then again, some of it is also, Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, among logicians, I'm the conclusive truth, 10 something. And in the purport, he says that there are different kinds of, there is Jalpa, which is, giving arguments that also supports the opponent's arguments. There's Vitanda, where one is simply discussing to be right, to prove, to win over one's opponent. But then there's Vada, that is the real conclusion, and Krishna is that. So in one sense also science, you can say, when they actually are really getting down to conclusive knowledge, Krishna is present in that. There's a,
32.
Yeah.
1032.
1032.
Of
Yeah.
logicians and the conclusive truth.
Yeah.
I tell people in the street when I speak with Kuligov that happiness is within the heart, but it is also in Kuligov. Mm-hmm. Is that science?
It's a science of drawing money out of people's pockets. And
that's you can experiment on it based on the theory that.
But then you're gone, and you got the money, so it's
Yes,